Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self practice exercise questions 1 to 6, self practice 6G of chapter 6. Chapter name is Decimals and of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self practice exercise questions 1 to 6, self practice 6G, and chapter name is Decimals and topic is addition of decimals. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 1. Question number 1 is find the sum of each of the following. The decimals values are given is 5.9, 36.87 and 9.265. Here the maximum number of decimal place is 3. Is 9.265. After decimal point there are 3 digits, so you have to write down 5.9 is here 5.9 only one digit, so we have to add 2 more zeros in 5.9. now 5.9 becomes 5.900. Then 36.87, here 36.87 after decimal point there are only 2 digits, so you have to add one more 0 to equal to the number of decimal place is 9.265. Number of decimal place is 3, so you have to add 1 0. Now 36.87 becomes 36.870 and write down 9.265. Here in ones place below 5 we have to write 6, in 36 6 and 9 below 6, and in after decimal point we have to write 9. In 10th place digit is 9, so we have to write down 900. Then below 9 we have to write after decimal point of 36.87 is 0.870, so we have to write below 9 we have to write 8, below 0 write down 7 and below 0 0. Now 9.265, below 8 we have to write 8 and below 7 write down 6 and below 0 write down 5. Now we have to add these 3 decimal values. First we add these thousands place values. This is thousands place and this is 100 place and this is 10th place. Now we add 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Write down 5. Then in 100th place we have to add this 100th place value, 0 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So write down 3 and take the carryover 1. Now we have to add this 10th place value digits. In 10th place value 1 plus 9, carry over 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. Write down 0 and take the carry over 2. Now in ones place values of 5, add the values 5, carry over 2, 6 and 9. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22. Write down 2 and take the carryover 2. This is the 100 place. Now add the 100 place value digits. In 100 place take the carryover 2, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we get 52.035. So addition sum of the given decimals 5.9, 36.87 and 9.265 is 52.035. Now we add the decimals values of question number 2. 39. The given decimal values are 39.08, 6.7, 0.895 and 67.19. First we have to find the maximum number of decimal place. Here maximum number of decimal place is 3 is 0.895. After decimal point there are 3 digits. So maximum number of decimal place is 3. In 39.08 after decimal point there are only 2 digits. So we have to add one more 0 in 39.08. Now 39.08 becomes 39.080. And in saying 6.7 makes the number of decimal place is 1. So we have to equal to the decimal place. So we have to add 2 more zeros in 6.7. Now 6.7 becomes 6.700. Then 0.895. The number of decimal place is 3. So we have to write down 0.895. Now in 67.19 the number of decimal place is 2. So we have to write down 67.190. We have to add one more 0 to equal to the number of decimal places as it is 3. So we have to add 0 in 67.19. Now 67.19 becomes 67.190. Now write down 39.080 in vertical form, 39.080 in below 9 we have to write 6.700. Below 9 we have to write 6. Then below 0 we have to write 7. Below 8 we have to write 0. Below 0 write down 0. Then 0.895. Below 6 we have to write 0. Below 7 write down 8. Below 0 write down 9. And below 0 write down 5. In 67.190 below 3, in 39.08 below 3 we have to write 6 in 100 place, and below 0 write down 7 in ones place, and in 10th place below 8 we have to write down 1. Below 9 we have to write down 9 in 100th place, and in 1000th place we have to write down below 5 we have to write down 0. Now we have to add these 4 decimals values. First we have to add thousandth place values. This is thousandth place, thousandth, and this is 100th, and this is 10th, this is ones up before decimal point, and this is tens. Now we have to add thousandth place value. 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. Then go to 100th place value. 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. Write down 6 and take the carryover 2. Now add 2, carryover 2. Now we add the 10th place value digit. Now add carryover 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. Write down 8 and take the carryover 1. Now we have to add ones place value digits. 1. Take the carryover 1. Add carryover 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0 plus 7. Carryover 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 16 plus 7 is 13. 16 plus 7 is 23. Write down 3 and take the carry over 2. Now we add in tens place value digits. Add the carry over 2 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now we get 113.865. So sum of the given decimals 39.08, 6.7, 0.895 and 67.19 is 113.865. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.